So for this project you'll need some air drying clay and some wire to attach the angel to the tree. Before the fun part of making the angels, I bent the wire to form a loop at the top and to make the arms of the angel. The air drying clay is not super strong, so I wanted a bit of extra strength inside to make sure it won't fall apart if we use them for years.
Hi there, my name is Renee and I am a Good Enough Mom. And with Christmas around the corner, it is time to think about how is our family going to remember the real reason for the season. As a Christian family, Christmas is a really important holiday to us. It's a time when we remember that God sent His one and only Son, Jesus Christ, to the world to save it. But I do find that we so easily get distracted from the real reason because of all the focus on presents and Santa Claus and family coming to visit and doing fun activities that we forget about what the real reason is that we are celebrating. So we have tried as a family to put small traditions in place to help us remember about the real reason for the season. And one of those traditions is to make angels every year. Angels are in the story of Jesus' birth, where they come to bring messengers to his mom and to his dad and to many other characters in the story. Angels also worship in the heavens when Jesus is born, when they come and tell the shepherds that Jesus is born. And so we make angels on our Christmas tree to remind us of that part of the Christmas story. But instead of buying angels, we have decided each year that all the children will make angels. And then we've got these beautiful mementos to keep for years to come, to remember about the times when our children were small and as they grew up, and all the Christmases that they made angels for. So this year, the time leading up to Christmas has been really busy. So we haven't had a lot of time to make elaborate angels that require a lot of preparation. So I've managed to think of something really quick and easy that we can do as a family that's not going to require a lot of preparation from my part, and that we can still keep this family tradition alive. The angels that we're going to make this year are just going to be small angels made out of air drying clay. This is lovely, foamy, super light clay. I'm not at all in any way sponsored by them. It just happens to be the clay that I found in the shop the day that I went shopping. So I hope you enjoy seeing the lovely angels that we're making for our tree this year, and I hope it helps you to think of ways that you can include the real reason for the season in your Christmas celebrations for this year. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!